Lapha esikhona kusemaleheni akhanyisa ubusuku nemini emzimkhulu wezohatsha eJohannesburg kulapho zihlelwa khona indaba zesiNdebele nanzi ezijujileko.
Has never met Mr. Matlala, has never spoken to him, nor has the minister ever requested or received anything from him.
Ungqongqotjhe wamapholisa uSenzo Mchunu uthi akamazi ngitsho nejutheni kwamadala usomabhizinisi ekuthiwa nguVusumuzi Kurt Matlala.
He's been getting threats to his life in that province. We have beefed up his security.
Ukomishinara wamapholisa elizweni lonke uGeneral Fanny Masemula uthi uqiniswe ivikeleko emzini kakomishinara wamapholisa waKwaZulu-Natal uMkhwanazi ngombana kunabamsongelako. Ukhunjulwe ngekonzo yemfaneleko yesikhumbuzo umakekere walokhu ekezokuphatha ibholo udabuka eMpumalanga ubaba uVeli Mahlangu. Sikhulume kazokale nasihlangene sonke yeke ngiyathokoza ukunifumana ningilindile. Nginguthulani Bongwe sindaba zesiNdebele ku-SABC1 akwande. Ukomishinara wamapholisa elizweni lonke uGeneral Fanny Masemula uthi ukomishinara wamapholisa kwaZulu-Natal uLieutenant General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi bekenza umsebenzi wakhe nabekakhuluma nembikindaba ngosonto. uMasemula utsho lokhu nabekakhuluma nembikindaba namhlanje ekseni.
Ukomishinara wamapholisa kwaZulu-Natal uLieutenant General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi usolwa ngokuphula ikambiso yesipholiseni ngokuveza insolo zakhe ejajalazi. Kodwana nanyana njalo ukomishinara wamapholisa elizweni lonke uGeneral Fanny Masemula uthi uMkhwanazi bekenza umsebenzi wakhe nabekakhuluma nembikindaba ngosonto.
It is not a problem if he talk about it because it is operating within the province of KwaZulu-Natal, which is his terrain.
uMasemula uqinisekisile ukuthi kuqiniswe zevikeleke ekhayeni likaMkhwanazi njengoba naMkhwanazi athuselwa ngokubulawa.
Well, in terms of physical protection, you know that, as I said, he's been getting threats to his life in that province. We have beefed up his security.
uMasemula wangezelele ngokuthi yena khanga hlikihla umhlolotsho ukuthi ihlakazo isiqhema sikaMkhwanazi esimsiza ngokulwisana nenilelesi.
I'm sure you have not seen any letter that I have signed to close the unit. I have not signed it, and I don't think anybody have ever seen a letter where I've signed off the closure of the unit.
Lokhu njengoba naMkhwanazi asola inkhulu zesipholiseni ekufaka hlangana ungqongqotjhe wamapholisa uSenzo Mchunu ngokuqaphela emsebenzini wamapholisa nokubandakanyeka enqhemeni zobulelesi obuhleliweko. uMasemula uthi bakulungela ukukhulumisana nomengameli uCyril Ramaphosa ngenisolwezi nokubana bazibophelele kuletheni ibumbano emapholiseni.
Khasini lethu leFacebook sibuze ngenkulumo kakomishinara wamapholisa uFanny Masemula nakumbono wakho yalandela mbukeli.
Soja wonke umuntu okhona ukuvikela amvikele nabakhulekako bakhuleke baqinisile.
Uyadabukisa eSouth Africa ukuthi umuntu okhuluma amaqiniso abamthandi njengoba noBomkhwanazi ekade eveze indaba eshaqisayo sethola nokusongela.
Abantu base-South Africa abavani nekuthi ukhulume liqiniso. uMkhwanazi ukhuluma liqiniso kwamele ukuthi athole tekuphepha ekhaya lakhe.
Siyocela nje ngempela ukuthi ezokuphepha ngempela ziqine esayidini labo ukuze kuzoncipha lobu bugebengu okuyibona osekwande kakhulu la eSouth Africa.
Ngokuza nenyani nje okaMkhwanazi uyasongelwa. Idlando ke ngoku maka khuselwe ngalo lonke ixesha.
Kahle eSouth Africa awukhuluma iqiniso vele abafuna uphile bazokubulala abafuni vele iqiniso abalifuni.
Ngaphephile uMkhwanazi mangabe kuzoqhubeka kanje kuseqhamuka nezinsongo zokuthi uyasongelwa.
Umbononke umbukeli SABC ayizokuthweswa umlando wokuziphendulela kombono umbukeli. Ungqongqoshe wamapholisa uSenzo Mchunu uthi akamazi ngitshona kwamadala ejutheni usomabhizinisi wendaba mraro uVusumuzi Khet Matlala. Umchunu ubuye wathi nanyana akhe yahlangana noBrown Mokgotsi uthe umazi njengomlingane ngezepolitiki akusikukuthi umsebenzisane wakhe. Lokhu kungaphakathi kwestatement esikhutshwe emnyango wamapholisa namhlanje ekseni.
Ikulumo kaMchunu ngephendula insolo eziphakanyiswe nguKommissioner wamapholisa kwaZulu-Natal uNhlanhla Mkhwanazi la amsola ngokuzibandakanya nengiqhema zobulelisi nokuthi ingiqhema ezenza ubulelisi seziphethe amapholisa. Umkhwanazi usola uMchunu ngokuthindeka ekuphathalajeni isiqhema samapholisa sakwaZulu-Natal esiphenya ukubulawa kwabosopolitiki.
The minister has never met Mr. Matlala, has never spoken to him, nor has the minister ever requested or received anything from him. The minister did, however, initiate a review of the SAPS tender awarded to him when suspicions of possible wrongdoing surfaced. It was the same tender which has since been terminated. Furthermore, whilst the minister knows and has met Mr. Brown Mokgotsi, he is just a comrade and not an associate of the minister. The minister has never requested or received anything from him.
Ngokuhlwa ngokwesimilo usingaba khonqumalo uthi kuthethe igadango lokufudusela uMatlala eseleni lenilelisi eziyingozi ngemva kobana afonyana nofundathwako kuthi uMatlala sibotwe siyingozi. Igama likaMatlala livele ekulumeni nembikindaba kaKommissioner wamapholisa uGeneral Mkhwanazi ngoSondo ngokuthinteka nongqongqotjhe wamapholisa. uMatlala wafumana ithenda yamapholisa ye-360 million kodwa wamukwa yona ngemva kwesikhathi. uMatlala khathesi yena nona kwakhe baqalene namacala okulinga ukubulala umlingisi uTebogo Thobejane.
Kusesenjalo uVusumuzi Khet Matlala uyindaba ekhulunywa ukuthi ngemva kokufunyanwa nomtato ngejele. KoSondo uKommissioner wamapholisa kwaZulu-Natal uthe batsho uMatlala ubandakanyeka nongqongqoshe uSenzo Mchunu. Umbuzo ojamileko kabanengi ngothi eqinisweni ngubani uKhet Matlala usemlonyeni womuntu wokamalanga la begodwa ngiziphi indaba abandakanyeka kizo.
uVusumuzi Matlala akusingusomabhizinisi ojayelekileko. Uneminyaka neminyaka phila impilo yobuthofo ngelimi lamalanga la ekuthiwa yi-soft life, khulukhulu ngokuthenga impahla yombuso. Kwathi bona uBabitha Jiyogarana hlaba umkhosi, uMatlala waba indaba ekhulunywako ngekhonakalo yokubandakanyeka kwamakampani akhe ezenzweni zobukhohlakala ezibiza ingidigidi zamaranda esibhedlela seThembisa.
Those tenders still being given out in the manner that they're given out speak to deep-rooted corruption. Because when you follow due process and you investigate who the individual is, you find the number of investigations that speak to the individual in question. You find that there are allegations that have been made that are damning, that would require, at the very least, a municipality or a state institution to distance themselves from it. So why was he given tenders?
iMedicare 24 Tshwane District yathola ithenda ibiza i-360 million yamaranda emapholiseni ngomgongweni umnyaka opheleleko. Ikampani yakhe yezivikeleko iCat VIP Protection Services nayo ibe yindaba ekhulunywako. Njenganje uMatlala uyadosa ejele iKhosi Mampuru ngezwe ngobatsho yokuhlela ukubulawa kwesithando sakhe saphambilini. Ngale kwalokho imraro imlandela ngemva kokuthi athole nomtato wafudiselwe seleni levikeleko eliphezulu. uKommissioner wamapholisa kwaZulu-Natal ukholwa bona uMatlala nosomabhizinisi asebenzisana naye babe nomthelelo ekuhlakazweni kwesiqhema ebesilusana nokubulawa kwabosopolitiki. Kanti nanyana ngingaziwa kuhle ukuthi igama likaKhet ulithole njani, abaziko bathi batsho vele sekusikhathi eside aphunyuka abamphethe.
Imeyara ye-Democratic Alliance kumasipalata wemngeni kwaZulu-Natal uChristopher Pappas uthi izwa ngobatsho yezenzo zobulelesi nokuqaphela emaphenyweni wamapholisa ezivezwe nguLieutenant General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi kufuze zingalaliselwa amehlo. uPappas bekakhuluma nabekayokulalela icala lokubulawa kwakasibhebhe omkhulu wehlangano le uhlala yenza Ndlovu ekhotho kaMagistrata weHowick.
uNdlovu wabulawela emzini wakhe empophomeni eminyakeni emibili edlulileko ngokudunyuzwa. Mhla nokho umkakhe nabantwana babemqalile nakabulawako. Abasola abathathu ekubalwa nenduna yendawo uZwelithini Buthelezi ekuzwakala bona ngungqondongqondo nabanye abasola ababili uThabane Hlongwa noKhayelihle Shabalala. Baqalene necala lokubulala nokurera iqhinga lokubulala. iDA ithi abayirareki nakancane ngalezwa ngobatsho yokucajelwa kwephenyo lamapholisa.
Unesibindi ubaba uMkhwanazi ukuveza le information ayivezile kepha ke thina siyayiphila lento mihla ngamalanga sifuna ukubona ubaba Ramaphosa upresident umongameli ukuthi athathe inqumo ukuvikela amakhansela ukuvikela thina esisebenza lana emphakathini esigcine esibulewe lana emphakathini.
iDA ithi ithwenyekile ngezenzo zokubulalelana ipolitiki njengombana ilizwe lilungiselela amakhetho wabomasipalata.
Siyathemba ukuthi sizobona ushintsho manje njengoba sikuzosuka lana enkantolo yaseHawe kuya enkantolo ephakeme kepha ke kuzodinga ukuthi sibone ushintsho omkhulu kabi emaphoyisini.
iDA ithi akuphenywe msinyazana icala lithulisele kupheleni kwenyanga le abasolwa basesisestokisini.
Inhlangano ezihlukahlukeneko zitakela phambili nokukhumbula isekela likaMengameli lalokhu uDavid Mabuza. Iphiko labomma ku-ANC libambe yalo ikonzo yemanyano ekhaya likaMabuza eBhaptini eMpumalanga. Imanyano mthandazo sophambili liphiko labommeli nenhlangano zabomma. uMabuza ubhubhe ngemva kokugula okufitshane esibhedlela seJohannesburg ngeveke epheleleko.
Iphiko labomma le-ANC likhumbula uDavid Mabuza. Wabelethwa ngasilitho wazifumana selalisekela likaMengameli.
It is Comrade Didi Mabuza, not just any ordinary member of the ANC, a person that would master the art of negotiations, a comrade that is an architect of the reunity of the ANC and its leagues.
Laba basebenze noMabuza iminyaka bathu bemhlobo umuntu ongakavami athulile kodwa nemfiso.
He was an enigma. He didn't talk too much. He spoke only when it was time for him to speak, to the point, and it's all. I must say that from 1994 to 1999, he was there, but he was not there. He was very silent.
Singeze salitshalwa nesandla asifaka kokubomma bemaplasini nesiqhemeni sebholo sabakhululeka sisizako.
He helped us with the soccer kit in 2011. Our team started in 2010, and in 2011 he managed to help us with the soccer kit and also soccer boots. Remember, we were 30 by then he managed to buy 30 soccer boots and also 30 soccer kit.
ANC yokubamba inkonzo endathu zesikhumbuzo eyingini endathu. Inkhulumo zenkonzo ngokuhlukahlukana kuzokubanga usihlalo uGwere Mantashe, isekela likaMengameli uPaul Mashatile nesekela likaNobhala Zombelelewe uNomvula Mukonyane.
Nasibuya entolo.
I never imposed myself as a JP when I was talking to her. Certainly not upon reading here.
Ijaji uSelby Mbenenge uyaraka nokwethula ubufakazi uthi alikho ilimbi alenzileko bese nje bakhuluma sakarana sabantu abafuna nako bano Andisa Mmengo ommangaleleko. Sisarakane indaba mbukeli kanina zikuphundileko uyazithola ku YouTube, SABC Plus, TikTok, X na ku Facebook. Namba sikhambe. Umengameli wamajaji wePumalanga Kapa uSelby Mbenenge uthi ukusolwanga amacala omsema akutsho ukuthi liqiniso lokho sezinsolo ezizwa ngobatsho. Ijaji elikhuluweli lilenga ukuzivikela malungana nensolo zebatsho ukuhlothisana ngokomseme emsebenzini. uMbenenge usolwa ngokuhlotisa ngokomseme uNobhala wakhe uAndiswa Mmengo ngokumkhahlumeza amathuba begodi nangokumkhahlumeza efonini phakathi kwaMgwengweni ka2021 noSinyikhaba ka2022.
Ijaji elikhulweli liqeda amalanga amabili solo liphika ibatsho ehlotshaniswa nebatsho yokuvezela uMengo isidoda sakhe ngendlela elumelako. Bewabawane zenzo ezikhambisana nomseme nebatsho ukuthi wathumela uNobhala wejaji elinithombe ezilumelako. Umholi wefakazi uAdvocate Salom Shippers uthoma ukuchuka ngombuzo ngokuthoma ukuhlahluba ilwazi lejaji elikhulu elingamandla elinawo njengehloko yekhotho. uMbenenge solo udzimelele ekutheni nakakhuluma noMengo akhanga akhakhazisa ukuba ngumengameli wamajaji.
I never imposed myself as a JP when I was talking to her. Certainly not upon reading here. So in our social setup, it doesn't matter what culture it is. You don't deal with people from the perspective that, do you know that I'm a JP? And therefore, when we talk, you don't deal with life from that perspective.
Icala liyaraga.
Bezele inganabususo benyawo iwolo yomphakathi yakwamhlanga eMpumalanga lapho kubanjwe khona ikonzo yesikhumbuzo sikamakekere walokho wezokuphatha zemidlalo uveli Mahlangu. Amalunga omphakathi baphumelele ngobuningi. Nasakela phambili sincancabeze ngalokho ubheyiliswe ngenkulungwana ezihlanu zamaranda umuntu olahlwele icala lokubulala umfundi weminyaka eli-18 ubudala uMduduzi Mnisi. Umnisi ubevele ekhotho kamagistrata weRoodeport. Isidumbu sikali khona 4 sesatholakala siqwiyiwe salahlelwa emangweni ovulekileko hlanu kweDurban Thief ngenyanga epheleleko. Umnisi owakhutshwa ngeparole ecaleni lokudlelezela lango-2009 nelokulinga ukubulala uliphikisile icala athwese lona likalikhona 4 selokubulala.
Umbuso ulethe ubufakazi obuphikisana nofakazi waphambilini oyintombi kaMnisi owathula ubufakazi bokuthi kade bandawonye ngelanga ekwabulawa ngalo uForce. Kodwa namarekhodi kafunjathwako alethwa ngaphambi kwekhotho phambilini aveza okuhlukileko.
Yeah, I have the cell phone record. That was the record for the Vodacom cell phone number 079 716 1533. Which the phone belongs to the applicant before court.
Igqwetha likaMnisi linganye ngokuthi bebungekho ubufakazi obutshengisa ukuthi uMnisi nguye owagcina ukubonakala nomntazinyana lo njengokutsho kwakafakazi obeka yintombi kaMnisi owaveza ukuthi akhange asebenzisane nemphathimandla. Kubuya kwavela nokuthi uMnisi uphule imbandela yeparula. Kodwa igqwetha lakhe lithi indaba ezimbilezi kufanele ziqalwe ngelihle elihlukileko.
Thing is, why at this stage do we still have him as a suspect?
Yes, that I cannot answer.
No, yes, I'm asking, hence I said it's just academic. Why are we still having the applicant as a suspect in this case when clearly
nokho ngendaba yesikhathi sesisale sesithula ubusayi mathebula nobujamo bezulu.
Asikuthokoze Bongwe Lotshani ngelesithathu ekhaya sicalela lapha ubujamo bezulu. Sibona lapha ke kuchidela umoya omakhaza ufika lapha eKapa uthole lapha ke amathuba wezulu nge-30%. Sibona lapha ke inkomba ezitsho ukuthi kunomoya pheze inarha yonke eSouth Africa lapha ke ngeMpumalanga Kapa livale ngamafu isifunda sonke siyokucalela ukuthi ngakhanda kusasa kunani khona na lisavulile inarha yonke zinkomba zomoya lezi ozibonako ngalile ngeKapa ke amathuba wezulu godi nge-30%. Sizokusuka duka ke ukwazi ukuthi ubone bona ngisiphi isilemukiso sisitholileko kunomoya endaweni zangaleke eTlagwini nesifunda sangale ngeMpumalanga Kapa kanti nangale ngegwini elingale ngeKZN. Lapha ke mazinga wokuchisa sithoma ngesifunda seGauteng simakhaza imini yonke khulukhulu lapha ke eVereeniging nge-16 ngemva kwamadina ePitori nge-18 iBronkhortspruit nayo nge-18 ekuseni nebusuku kumakhaza khulu nalapha ke eLimpopo kunjalo ebusuku nekuseni kumakhaza hle kodwa nangokuhamba kwesikhathi beka40 futhi umele kamnandi neThoho yando nge-25 kuthi Phalaburwa nemusina nge-24 kodwa nake ibilabila yona ke isesemakhazana sibona ngemva kwamadina nge-19 lapha ke esifundeni seMpumalanga njengenarha eSouth Africa kumakhaza khulu eStandard 10 nge-1 ekuseni nebusuku ngemva kwamadina ke nokho libuye nganeno nge-19 imkhondo nge-22 isikhukhuza ifuthumeleke yona ngemva kwamadina nge-27 kuthi lapha emalahleni kubomhlanga sibona lapha ke bo-23 ngokuhamba kwesikhathi ngemva kwamadina ukuthi ukuphola iKwaZulu Natal neRichards Bay lapha ke uLundi Richards Bay futhumele ngemva kwamadina iDurban nge-24 kanti ke ebusuku nekuseni kumakhaza zonke indawo kanti ke siyokucala lapha ke isifunda sangeMpumalanga Kapa simakhaza naso njengendawo eziningi kubuya nganeno ke ngemva kwamadina iEast London nge-23 Mthatha nge-22 kuthi lapha ke enxuba nge-20 kodwa na ebusuku nekuseni kumakhaza hle Cape Town imakhaza imini yonke ngemva kwamadina nge-14 sibona lapha ke endaweni zalapha eBeaufort West khona ke kubuya nganeno ngemva kwamadina kuyaphola nge-23 Mossel Bay imakhaza imini yonke ngemva kwamadina nge-18 siya lapha ke eTlagwini Kapa nakhona ke sibona kumakhaza lapha eSutherland imini yonke sonke ngokuhamba kwesikhathi ke iKimberley Buyanganeno nge20 Uppington yona ke yafuthumela nge24 ngemva kwamadina kodwa ebusuku nekuseni nakhona ke kumakhaza kuseFreystata lapho ke kumakhaza imini yonke isifunda sonke Bothaville bangconywana ngemva kwamadina nge20 kuyaphola lapha ke eTlhagwini eNorthwest ngokugcina siyabona ukuthi nakhona kumakhaza endaweni eziningi abantu bambathe bafuthumele kusesebusika udle lapha nevitamin C asibonane ngesikhathi esilandelako Dido
Ukoli ikoti asicancabeze ngokungakhambi kuhle kwendaba zethu zanamhlanje besiqatselwe emchini lapha nokho kulandela zesizulu ngesimbi yekhomba kusasa ngezesiswati kusayi sebenzekile sesingagoduka kwanje salani kuhle babukeli ukho bongile